First of all, I want to say thank you to everybody that has been subscribing to the channel, that has been supporting. It's been many years. So the channel opened in 2008, but I started uploading videos by 2010, 2012, and here and there I've been putting videos up. But now I'm really on this. Like I'm focused on this thing. I'm making this channel work because I want to give back to people that have given me. I have been working hard to make this channel work. This past week, I realized how much people appreciate what I've been wanting to do and what I've started. I've gotten so much positive feedback, and I really appreciate every comment, every compliment that anyone has given me so far, and I appreciate it. I want to encourage you to, at the end of this video, to comment and let me know what you think, because again, it gives me a purpose to give back. Subscribe to this channel to see where we are taking this. Subscribe to the channel to show support. Subscribe to the channel if you want to hear more things that I want to say. Remember that I'm doing this to give back. I'm doing this to connect with my friends, to connect with my family. People that I don't see often can see me through the video. People have recommended me to do it in Spanish, but I think it's going to be a lot of work. Maybe down the line I'll do some Spanish videos or Spanglish videos, because I think there's an audience that needs to hear the same message in different languages. But that can come later on down the line. Again, I want to say thank you, because the channel has gotten over 70 subscribers in a week, which I think is incredible. Thank you. It humbles me to keep working hard, and it reminds me that one person can have an effect on others. You don't need a million people to agree on something to have an impact. One person, usually or mostly always, you hear things from one person at a time. If 3 people are speaking at the same time, you can understand each other. So therefore, I encourage you to do the same thing I'm doing, especially in these times of negativity, I guess. There has always been negativity, but there has been an abundance of negativity around us. So I encourage you to be one of those people that share positive stuff, positive messages, and to make positivity the norm instead of always being accustomed to negativity because of the media. And now social media carries the same. Like, we ran away from mainstream media because it was sharing a lot of negativity, but then social media is doing the same thing. So I encourage you, because we have the power to create a change. You have the power to impact people. I encourage you to do the same, to create more positivity out there. I encourage you to encourage those around you, because they're the ones that you can impact on a faster level, and they might need it more than you think.
Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on social media, and if you like the video, click the like button. If you want to see more videos, click the video in the middle. And don't forget, never stop learning for you.